Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Oppo Band with Android. So let's begin here. Immediately you can see we have the app already installed. You can scan the QR code that is in the watch, but we already downloaded the app. As you can see in the fourth page we have scan or add new device. It will open up the QR code for the app to scan. As you can see, after scanning it will ask you to pair it. Press pair and accept. You can see the app and the watch already connected with each other. You have to agree with terms of use, press pair, all these type of stuff, data signs. We have stay connected, preferred, wrist, and you are done. Now you can see we have a couple of pages in Chinese. We had this problem with Mi Watch, and we have here with Oppo as well. You can see the watch is on right now. We are just going through a couple of stuff, all in Chinese. You can see we have here the watch faces. You can see how it changes in the app like we are changing in the watch. And the watch right now is still in Chinese, but the app is some part in Chinese, some part in English. You can see we have my page here. We have all the steps and information about in the first page. We have my goals, you can see with date, ranking, you can see steps, ranking. We have here the steps, all the data about the steps, week, month, or year statistic. We have average steps, total steps, etc. We can check with dates as well, all these options, not just for today. We have here a couple of options. Most of these options are in Chinese, which I find very disturbing because we don't understand a couple of these, or let me say most of these. But usually you can see in the second page we have now English. Here we have the heart rate data, day, week, month, or year statistic. We have average, highest, lowest heart rate, same with sleep. We have to allow to track our blood oxygen during the sleep. In case you want to allow it, it's not necessary, but in case you want to see more data about your blood oxygen, you can allow it, and you will see later about this. So you can see now we are allowing the track like we said for throughout the night. We have the workout logs. You can start running, walking, workout or yoga through your phone, and it will measure all the data from the watch. We have here tracking your blood oxygen. Again, we have day, week, month, and year statistic, average, lowest, and highest like we saw before. All these statistics are usually the same. We have the weight statistic as well, family health in case you want to add any of them. And at the third page we saw this basically at the second page. These are just a few options that we can start doing from the phone, and we will get the data here in the phone through the band. At the third page or fourth page we have the Oppo Band, where we can customize our faces. You can see we have my clock faces as well as other that we can download, or we can edit it and basically put whatever we want in our faces. These are the online clock faces where we can customize or download more. We have health, art, fun, zodiac, and other options that we can add and download more as well. We have to remove first one of the faces that we already downloaded, so we are able to download one more. So we can download in total 5 of these faces. You can see right now. Let's remove the 5th one. We have 4 of them right now, 4 options. Let's go and download one more here so we can try out and see how it will go. You can see it starts downloading immediately, and we can see that in the watch or in the band as well. So that means we are downloading and it will sign automatically. This won't take a long time. You can see how fast it's downloading it, and now we have a brand new face you can see right now in the Oppo Band, and it looks pretty good actually. So the faces that are already downloaded, we can change them in matter of seconds, which is always a good thing. Here we have a couple of information on how we can work with the Oppo Band. We have here more: size, phone notification, alarm, workout and health settings, preferences, user guide, help and feedback, app protection, device update, about device and unpair. At the preferences, you can see we have wear band on, raised awake, night mode, band apps which we can customize, and we have auto launch. These are the options that we have here in more, and these are the options that we have in the Oppo Band app. You can see here the notification, how this will work. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart device.